Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Reni. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. On my channel, I make content about financial literacy, career development, and lifestyle. So if you are new here, then you don't know, but last year I showed my house tour, and I showed a tour of my house that I purchased in London, Ontario for $349,000. So remember when I told you that I bought my first house at the age of 23? Well, now I'm gonna show you around my house. 3 full bedrooms, and then there's 1 extra den that can be used as a bedroom if you wanted it to be. And then also, as you can see, this is the first bedroom or den slash bedroom. It's on the main floor, which is interesting for a house. And it is, I showed the property and you all ran the numbers up a lot. So I thought I would show you a few more properties. If you want me to show you more properties, make sure to hit that like button and tell me what other cities you'd like to see properties in, and I'll try to make it happen. So today I'll be showing you a property in London, Ontario. It closed about last year in spring of 2021, and it cost $625,000. Of course, with the market, we know that it could be way more than that by now, but it closed for about that price. This property is actually not a rental property. This one is an Airbnb. So if you did want to book, and if you're in London for some time, you can book, and I'll leave the link in the description box below. So just an overview of the property. This property is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom property, and it has a fully finished self-contained basement. And that means that there is a bedroom plus a full bathroom in the basement as well. So it's really nice. It's pretty spacious. You can fit up to 10 people here. So if you have a family gathering or something, or if you want to work from home with your family and you're in London, this would be a great place for you. There are queen size beds in each room. There are huge closets, bigger than the ones that I have in my house. And there is lots of space and beautiful artwork here as well. So I'm going to take you through the property, and I hope you enjoy. Make sure to hit that like button. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's get into this property. As I said, this is a brand new home, never lived in before, and it can comfortably sleep up to 10 guests. This would be a great place for a couple, a family, or a group, or anyone who's really remote working. It would be a great place for you. It's located in Summerside, London. First things first is the ground floor. This is the first bathroom, and it is a half bath, and it's fully stocked with everything that you may need. Next, we have the living area and the kitchen. You can see there's beautiful artwork all around. The kitchen is fully stocked with a Keurig machine, brand new appliances, and quartz countertops. Very nice. In the living room area, you can lounge and do whatever you want here, including watch Netflix on this 58-inch smart TV, and it comes with Netflix, Disney Plus, and much more. On the same floor, we actually have a private deck where you can lounge and enjoy a warm, sunny day once those days eventually come. Now let's get into the upstairs, and let's go to the bedroom. The largest room upstairs sleeps 2 people and has 2 huge walk-in closets. If you're someone who will be working remotely, the space also comes with a dedicated workspace, so you can do all your work from there. One of the most impressive parts is the Wi-Fi speed here. The Wi-Fi is about 505 megabytes per second, meaning up to 20 devices can stream at once and be perfectly fine. This is perfect for all your meetings, so you know that even if your family is using the Wi-Fi, it'll be fine. This room also has a full bathroom ensuite, and it comes with a spacious standing shower. Next, let's get into another room. Similarly, this room sleeps 2 and has the same spacious queen memory foam bed and its own closet. So those beds are known to be very, very comfortable and relaxing for all people. The next bathroom will be shared between this room and the next room. It is a full bathroom, so it comes with a tub and a shower, a toilet, and a sink. This bathroom is shared with the final room that is on this floor, and similarly this one sleeps 2 and has those gorgeous, spacious, queen-size beds that are super comfortable. Now that we've seen the top floor, let's go into the basement. This is a fully finished basement that is perfect for a remote worker as well. There is a queen size inflatable bed and a desk for you to work. I also forgot to record the bathroom, but there is another full-size bathroom here, and clearly there's everything that you need in one place. So if you are looking to visit London, make sure that you check out this property. It's based in Summerside, as I mentioned earlier. The link is in the description box if you would like to book, and I am so grateful for you for watching this video. If you want me to show you more properties that are in London, make sure you hit that like button and hit that subscribe button so I know that you like this kind of content. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!